Hi, everybody. William Shashaty here again with Trinity Mortgage. Today, I want to talk a little bit about reverse mortgages. A lot of times, people ask about reverse mortgages but don't really understand what they mean. So, let me just explain. Reverse mortgages are mortgages for people who primarily are retired, okay, older. You have to be at least 62 years of age and older to get a reverse mortgage, okay. And what the lender basically does is they basically take the equity in your home, okay, and they, for the lack of a better way of saying it, they lend you money and you don't have to pay them back. You don't have to make a monthly payment to them. That's why they sort of call it a reverse mortgage. Because instead of you paying the bank every month, the bank can either give you a lump sum or even give you payments every month. Okay, so you're not making a mortgage payment. And you have to have a lot of equity in the property. And the older you are, the more a higher loan you can get. Now, what does that mean? Well, if you're 62, the loan to value might be, the loan you can get might be 50% of the value. But as you get older, say 90, 92, then all of a sudden the loan could be up to more, maybe 75, 80%. Why? Because the older you get, the more money they're willing to give you, honestly, because you're closer to death. Okay. And the reason the bank does this is because they know that when they lend you the money, okay, that you're obviously have an end date of your life. Most people do. I mean, everybody does. Okay, so that's why they're willing to give you more money as you get older. Now, here's the thing: you don't make a payment, so it's designed for people to stay in their home. Maybe when you retire and your income goes down, and you're saying, and now things get tight, and you still have a mortgage payment. You want to get rid of it? Do a reverse mortgage. Now you don't have a mortgage payment. Now you have that much extra every month, okay, to do things that you want to do. Maybe just to make living easier. Maybe to travel more. Okay, and people say, well, if I don't make a payment, are they charging me interest? Of course they're charging you interest, and the loan is growing because the interest you're not paying adds to the loan. So the loan grows every single month and year. But guess what? So does the value of your house. And the lender's pretty smart. They're never going to lend you enough money to where you outlive the value of the home. Could happen, but not quite. Now, here's the other thing. People say, well, what happens if I pass away? Does the lender get the house? No. Okay. It's like any other mortgage. You can sell the home, pay off the mortgage, and whatever equity is available is yours. Well, what if I want to move later on after I get a mortgage? Sell your home, pay off the mortgage, the equity is yours. Can the bank ever take my home from me? The answer is no. As long as you pay your taxes and insurance every single year, okay, the lender cannot take the home from you. Well, what if I live too long and the mortgage is a lot higher than the value of my house? Can the lender kick me out? No. You have the right to live there until you pass away. Okay, so a lot of people have a misconception that a reverse mortgage means the lender is going to take your home. The answer is that's not true. Okay, a reverse mortgage, the only difference is that you're not making a payment. The loan amount's growing. Your life is easier because you don't have to make that mortgage payment. And again, it's for people who are 62 years or older. The older you are, the more money you get. Okay, just so you understand that. But it's great. It's a great product for those people who want to retire and want to stay in their home and not have to move to a condo or something smaller. Okay, they want to be in their surroundings. They want to be around their friends, but yet maybe their budget because they retired can't afford it. If you have a house, you got a lot of equity. It's something worth taking a look at. All right. Thanks for listening. Please follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to us. Click the bell so you get the next video. Also, please share our videos. We really appreciate that. Like us on Facebook or Twitter, or like us on Facebook, I guess it is, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.